Hi guys, it's ASBOT and this is the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, the latest small foldable smartphone from the company. It launched alongside the larger, full-featured foldable, the Z Fold 3 5G, and I was lucky enough to get hands-on with both at the Samsung KX Centre down in London a few days ago. I have already posted a video on the Fold 3, which I will leave listed in the video description below, so go and check that out if you haven't already, and drop a like on the video if you are a Samsung fan. So the Flip 3 is the smaller, chicer, possibly more stylish version of its larger sibling, designed for pure portability in a small pocket or bag. Whereas the Fold 3 gives you a phone and tablet experience all in one, the Flip gives you a phone and a tiny form factor. It's available in 6 colours from bold phantom black, green, lavender, cream, white, pink and grey. Not sure what's necessarily bold about it compared to the phantom colourings of the Fold 3, but hey. When folded out, you are met with the same sized 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display as the original, but the Flip 2 sees a 120Hz refresh rate upgrade from the 60 on the Flip 1. Now, as well as the 2640 by 1080 inner display, you also have a small 1.9-inch AMOLED cover screen on the front, where you can monitor notifications, emails, group chats, etc. And there are 6 available widgets like Weather and Samsung Pay for easy access in a rush. This cover display is actually larger than the original Flip's one, and you can also customise it to match the face on your Galaxy Watch 4 or 4 Classic if synchronicity is your thing. If you're interested, I do have a video on both of those watches dropping very soon as well, sub for those. The Flip 2 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset with 8GB of RAM and either 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. It takes 1 eSIM and 1 nano SIM, but no space for an SD card for expandable storage. It has stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and a fingerprint sensor on the side. We again see Samsung's One UI software here with a few device customized features such as Flex Panel, which alters certain apps to function slightly differently depending on if the phone is partially folded or not. If your phone is sat on a table, for example, the app will move to the top half and your options like volume, screen brightness, etc. will be at the bottom. Now, in terms of camera, you have pretty much the same setup as on the Fold 3, minus the telephoto lens. So you have 2 12-megapixel sensors, wide and ultra-wide, and you have a 10-megapixel front camera. Not the most feature-rich camera array for a premium flagship phone, but photos seem, in first testing, to be vibrant and colourful, and certainly social media friendly with plenty of options to suit your creativity. The under-the-display camera that we see on the Fold 3 would be a nice addition here. Not sure why they couldn't do it on the Flip 3 as well, but hey. One area I would like to test in more detail is battery life, because we have a 3300 mAh battery capacity, which may leave a little bit to be desired. Time will tell. My full review obviously will go into more detail on that. The Flip has a starting price of £949 UK or 1049 euros. Not sure of the exact US dollar or Indian rupees etc. conversions, which I think is fair if the small flip factor is hugely essential for you. If it's not, you can most definitely probably get a better, more well-rounded smartphone for less, or you can spend a little bit more and get the full-featured Fold 3, which possibly I would look to try and save up to do. But there is certainly a market for the Flip. It's a sexy phone. You got to hold your hands up and say it might be for you. Let me know what you think of the Galaxy Flip 3 5G. Is this the phone you've been waiting for? Do you prefer the larger, more well-rounded Fold 3? Or do you not like foldable smartphones at all? Like the video if you enjoyed it, sub if you're new to the channel and want to see more coverage of the Samsung launch and all of the devices and tech in general. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Says BYT. Peace out.